Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and non new people. Welcome to a new video. It has been a while. I know. Don't kill me because of that. I have been busy with school. I know I'm always giving you excuses, but yeah, I'm telling the truth. I've been busy with school, so I couldn't upload or make anything. I'm not gonna tell you I didn't have an idea for like 3 weeks. I don't know if you know that one sound on TikTok that was trending for a little bit. It was the Barbie's changed, and then that one it gave me an idea. I was like, oh my god, people who are doing this are so pretty. What if I do it? But what am I gonna do? And then I talked of dolls, like not the Barbie dolls or kind of, but yeah, I don't know how to say it. Kind of the Chinese Russian dolls. I thought of doing this and dressing up, even though dressing up is a big problem. I don't have puffy dresses or a mini, what is it called? You know what I'm talking about. So I have an inspiration, a reference picture here I'm gonna use. Oh, also, I don't think this video is gonna have subtitles. I'm sorry for that, but CapCut is being greedy and needy and decided to not add freaking caption anymore. It's with money. I'm not paying money to do caption. That's stupid. So yeah, that's a problem. I don't know how to fix it yet. Also, I'm running out. Not running out. I have nothing. I tried to order them online, but they canceled my order. The audacity to cancel my order. I noticed that I sometimes skip steps to make the video shorter, which is a stupid thing I do. It always feels like I'm playing with flour. Did too much in my face. I cannot. I have to wait for it to sit. So hello, how are you doing? Good. I'm doing great as well. Nice. Eye time. I gotta do the eyes. This is the thing I'm liking about this, is that the eyebrows eyelashes don't go this, so it's good for me because I have sleepy eyelashes that don't want to stand up, even if I do this for like an hour. Okay, an hour might work, but yeah, you know. Does it work? I wanna say this is already promising, but I do not want to talk yet, so we never know. I'm gonna do this. Can you even check this? I think a darker one would look better. You can see from that I've used it a lot. Me too mirror to confirm if things are good or not. I don't think this is where do I look like a doll, or do I look like a possessed fucking bitch? Printed box. A big ass box. Do you feel like there's any differences? Because I cannot make that there's any differences. With those fucked up eyes. I'm gonna add more to the cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. I think it's a brown girl. I'm gonna put it under my lips like this. We have two. This one is red. I have another one. I don't know what it is. For some reason, this is better. But this is on the left, it doesn't look like anything, so I'm gonna use it. I forgot. I saw a tutorial. I should do it. Usually I don't see tutorials, but yeah, need it. I need some help. But my ass wanted to try it. This because it needs very glossy lips. This is so funny. I'm so tired. Holy, no, that doesn't look. It does not look the same at all. Like, or do I look like a server rather than a bull? I mean, it did close, but something is weird about this. I don't like it. Got my bangs just earlier, so this wasn't there. Well, it is my fault. Gotta do some accessories so we see. I'm gonna be funny with the lights not on. This wasn't such a success, I would say. It was a failure. Gotta say it was a failure, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't enjoy much, but I hope you enjoyed your part.